Hello there everyone, and welcome to my channel, Time to Cook. I am Chef Christy. Okay guys, I am making a cornbread today, a Mexican cornbread. It is so good. If you love cornbread, you're gonna love this one. It is cheesy and flavorful, and it's perfect with any meal, any dish. It's great. Any time of year, this Mexican cornbread is just the bomb. You're going to want to give this one a try. Let me go over the ingredients and everything that you will need to make your Mexican cornbread. But before I do, just a quick reminder to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified as soon as I upload a new delicious recipe. Let me go over all these ingredients with you. You will need 1 cup of cornmeal, a half of a cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of buttermilk, a half of a teaspoon each of baking soda and salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 14.5 ounce can of cream corn, and then this is 4 ounces of the green chilies, 2 tablespoons of chopped green onion, and then 1/4 of a cup of chopped red bell pepper, and then 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. All right, this is a pretty much dump and go. I'm just going to mix my flour and cornmeal, add in my baking soda and salt, baking powder, sugar, add my buttermilk, add my eggs, add my green chilies, green onion, chopped red bell pepper, cheddar cheese, open my can of cream corn that I forgot to do. All right, so add my cream corn, and then you're just going to stir this until it's all combined. Look at it, it's already pretty. It's got the red and green and yellow. All right, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of butter to this cast iron skillet, and I'm going to place this in my oven until the skillet is hot and the butter has melted. All right, so my butter is melted and my skillet is nice and hot. Now you don't have to bake your cornbread in a cast iron skillet. I just like to do that. I just think there's something about it. It makes a really good cornbread. If you don't have one, you can bake it in an 8x8 baking dish and it'll be just fine. But I'm telling you, if you have a cast iron skillet, bake your cornbread in it. It's just good. All right, I always like to pour my batter in when my skillet is nice and hot too. It just gives a nice crust on that cornbread. All right, so now I'm going to bake this in a 375-degree oven for right around 30 minutes. Oh my goodness, look at this Mexican cornbread. It looks and smells delicious. All right, now I've just got to cut into this cornbread and give it a try. This cornbread is so good. You've got to give this a try. Oh my, it is so cheesy and moist and flavorful. This is definitely a keeper. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. And as always, I will see you soon with more recipes. It's just good. I don't really know what else to say about it. So let's get going. Notification bell so you'll know as soon as I upload a new recipe. It's a keeper. It's a keeper. I'm not sure if you can tell, but sometimes it takes me a long time. I have a lot of outtakes. I mess up a lot. I do. I mess up a lot. Cream corn. Let me go over all the ingredients that you will need to make your delicious Mexican cornbread. Okay, so my cast iron, nice and hot. Now you don't have to use one more time. One more time. And as always, it's good. Yeah, it's good. This Mexican cornbread's good.